Welcome. Today, we're diving into two exciting topics: how to send avatar stickers on Discord and how to add your job on Roblox. Let's get started with Discord first. To send avatar stickers on Discord from your Android device, follow these simple steps. First, open the Discord app and locate the conversation where you want to share your stickers. Once you're in the chat, look for the smiley face icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This will open up a range of fun options for you. Next, select Stickers from the choices that appear. It'll give you access to all the stickers available in your account. Now, all that's left to do is browse through the avatar stickers and choose the one you'd like to send. Simply tap on the avatar you want, and voila! Your sticker is on its way to brighten up the chat. Now, let's shift gears to Roblox. Adding your job in Roblox is a great way to showcase your interests and skills. First, log into your Roblox account and navigate to your profile page. Look for the About section, where you can easily edit your details. Simply click on the Edit button. In the designated area, type in your job title and any relevant information about what you do or what you enjoy. Once you've added your job, make sure to save your changes. Your job will now be displayed on your profile for other players to see. And there you have it. Sending avatar stickers on Discord and adding your job on Roblox is quick and easy. Happy chatting and gaming.